These will look better once they have been stirred. But these are chia seed puddings with berries in them. And this is what we do for breakfast when we have an early morning breakfast. And you can see I have little spoons in there. I'll have the recipe for you below because I think it's really good. Kids have early, oh, you don't even have your shoes on. Okay, take them in and put them on in there.
At least I don't go in for like another
okay
hour and a half.
Okay, you guys go in. Kids usually take their piano books and wait for their turn for the piano. They take their backpacks. Do you have your backpack, Boston? Yep, so you can do your homework and they can read. See ya.
Hi.
Lady insists on coming every piano lesson. Olivia's running a little bit slow this morning, huh?
Yeah, I'm so tired.
I know, it's very early for us. But in order to fit 4 kids in for piano lessons, it has to be
Probably 5.
before school. Not traffic stopping for the duck crossing. Are you kidding me? Yes, get across that road, you little cuties. Yes, ducks. Everyone is smiling. That's so funny. I posted this to my stories. If I was stranded on an island and I could only bring one piece of makeup, what would it be? This is hardly like makeup. It like dupes as a foundation. It's my tinted SPF. Like I've linked a few over the years, but like this one is life. This one I could not live without. And when I go on vacation and want to like look nice, this is what I bring. There's just no other ifs, ands, or buts. If you were stranded on an island, what piece of makeup would you be bringing? Tell me, because it's only fair. I told you, you tell me. I'm going out to the house to see Joel and, you know, to see the house. And am I gonna put perfume on? Yes, guys, yes, I am. I feel like I have a date with my new house. Who knows what she's gonna look like when we get there, guys? Who knows what she's gonna look like? I feel like this is a blind date. Keys. Keys. Goodbye, sweetie. I'll see you when I get home. And I know you're just sitting where you're supposed to and you're gonna hop right up on top of those decorative pillows the second I leave. I know you are. You're naughty. Oh, Stretch. I was turning on the road to come out here to the property and Joel was coming the opposite direction and we turned down the street at the exact same time. Don't ask me, but we laughed our heads off. We thought that was so funny. Anyway, we're here. And the framing has begun and I told Joel, I said, I think I'm numb. I said, because I feel like I can't comprehend that it's actually starting. And this is the beginning, guys. This is, I think it's downhill from here. Is it? Tell me, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna tell myself it is the beginning of the downhill from here. I feel like the majority of the like work has been done. The prep work and everything always takes the longest. We have a very small, simple rule that helps keep our car clean. The reason we have this is because a clean car makes me feel very happy. When we have a lot of stuff in the car, it makes me feel frazzled. Those are my boots and I'm gonna keep those in here because I always forget them at the property and I'm so glad I had them today. But whenever the kids get out of the car, I say whatever is around you, pick it up and take it in the house. Today is a whole different story because we had piano. And as you can see, let's see, 2, almost 3 of the kids ate their breakfast. Who didn't eat their breakfast? Who didn't eat their breakfast? This makes me so sad. I hate food being wasted. I'm going to take all the things in from the car because piano day is very hectic and chaotic for the kids and I'm just happy that they're doing piano. And so, sorry, I'm sitting here trying to gather this bag. So I'm going to take in all of their stuff for them. Oh, am I gonna be able to carry all 4? Oh, probably not. Nope, I'm gonna come back and get it. I am so upset. I had in my arm like this, and it just kind of like ploop right out. And so then I caught it, and when I set it down on the counter, I just set it down just hard enough. Just hard enough. Oh, I am so sad. One thing about me is I really hate breaking things. All right, before my kids get home, I want to ask you guys a question because I went and looked at doors again today, because yesterday when I walked in and saw the doors, it sparked an interest in me because I know I have to do these. But then Joel was like, Bonnie, you need to get your door chose because Bonnie, you need to get your doors chose because we need to get them ordered so that they're here on time. Joel is doing a good job at being the general and keeping me on task and making sure that I have things like ordered when I'm supposed to. So I'm going to show you two different doors. The first option is a single panel, and this is the one that came to my mind before I even went and looked. I really like that it's simple and it just has one big large panel. I like that it's simple, okay? But then for option number 2, this is a double panel door, and I feel like it offers a little more detail, so it gives more visual, you know, like a better visual when you're walking through the house. And this is going to be all of our interior doors. So I already have all my exterior doors being done, and so this is just all for inside the home. I also have to choose what color of hinge comes on the door. Now, the guy at the store really answered a huge question for me. And he answered it without even knowing that this was a question that I had, and I kind of forgot, and I'm like, how can I forget? This is something that drives me crazy. Here's the hinge to the door, and if you look in here, you can see black on the casing. Well, if you scroll down the door a little bit more, you see it also right in here. You can see there's like black dust. And then if you look under in here, I wipe these all the time, so it's not that bad. But this isn't dust in here in this corner. It isn't paint. It's just where this black dust has like gathered and stays. And then you can see it in the carpet right in here, that it's like stained the carpet. This has been something that has bugged me for so long. I hate that it does it. And I just thought all doors did it. Well, when he was offering the hinge color, he said, I'm just gonna do ball joint. What did he say? There's a type of hinge that rubs together and creates this, and he said what it was, and now I forgot what it's called. But essentially the hinge rubs together, and it's shavings of the metal, and it creates that black oily dust type stuff. And he said the one that he chose for me, and did you hear that? How it's squeaky. He said the ones that are ball bearing, something like that, they don't require any oil. I've never put oil on these, clearly, because they're squeaking. But he said that the ball bearing ones are quiet. You don't need to oil them, and they don't give off these shavings. You guys, yes all the way, and I was so grateful that he said that. But I had to choose what color of hinge, and I think I'm doing gold like door handles through the whole house, and so I'm going with the gold hinge. And I think I'm just asking your opinion because I really truly love going through the questions about the house, because your comments either open my eyes to a new idea or they really solidify what I'm already thinking. I feel very spoiled because I get all of your feedback. It's kind of like when you call your sister and you're like, oh, which I did today. I sent her the 2 pictures and she was like, those are the 2 doors that I chose from too. So Ellie was really cute, and she was like texting me back quick, because you know when you're in like the store and I'm like, which ones do you like? Which ones were you gonna go with? And I was like, send me a picture of your doors. Okay, so I need to know what you guys think between the 2 doors and the brass hinges. And the reason I'm going with brass is because I don't know exactly what color of gold the door handles will be. They'll either be like, I don't think shiny gold, and I don't think like dark brass. And so the brass hinges that I'm going with, they're just quiet. Like you don't really notice them. I don't think people really are gonna notice door hinges Maybe I'm wrong. You guys tell me. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.